Hi, this is Mr. Lange. Today we're going to talk about using your Chromebook's built-in Screencaster to do screen recordings for either demonstrating what you have learned on a project or to explain how to do something. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to look right down here. We're going to point down on the launcher, click on the launcher, and we're going to scroll to where it says Screencast. So each of your Chromebooks has this screencast tool to start a new screencast, the blue button at the top, new screencast, and that's where you have some options before you start. So if you're looking down, you can screen record. Of course, if you turn that on, then you've got the record full screen option. You can draw a bounding box around an area that you want to screen record, or you can record a window of one of your Chrome windows. You also have the little settings gear, and I'll just go over basics here, and that is best to use if you want camera on or camera off, so you can see what that does. So I've got the front camera on right now, and that camera, we can drag it around and move it around if we want to. We can also make the camera, make the picture of me larger or smaller. So I've got that option depending on how I want to do it. Now, if I want to record everything that's going on right now, I'm going to go ahead and click. So I'm recording full screen. Notice it does a countdown, 3, 2, 1. I am recording now with the Chromebook's Screencaster. I want to point out down in the bottom, again, right below me down here, there is a pen tool. Okay, and that is the toggle to turn the marker on. If the marker is on, then I can draw, circle things, highlight things, whatever I want to do, identify what's going on. So I can use that to my advantage to annotate what's going on as I'm recording. Okay, and then when I toggle that pen tool off, my annotation goes away. Okay, so it's a great tool. Students can use this to do a variety of things of showing proficiency in something, to explain what they did, or just to show how to do something. So again, great tool. Let's look at what happens when we shut it down. I go to the bottom right again, and it has that stop screen recording icon. So I'm going to click on that. When I stop, here is my screencast. When my screencast gets done processing here, it is going to be available for me to do any kind of edits, and I can use the transcript tools to edit the transcript. And what that means is over this side here, it has everything that I was saying. If it didn't quite get something correct that I was saying, I can click on it and edit the text. Okay, so that's kind of a cool feature. I can rename my screencast, whatever I need to do as well. So that's kind of nice. So my screencast is here. Click on the little setting dots. I can rename it. I can share it, send it on to my teacher, anything like that. Now, the other cool thing I want to point out, let me close this. Those screencasts are automatically shared to my Google Drive. So waiting for my drive to show up here, my drive, and I've got a bunch of stuff in my Google Drive, and there is a folder that says Screencast Recordings, and it will automatically share those. And again, it's got them named in a folder by the date, so it has year, month, day, and then the time in military or 24-hour time. And then I double click into that, and it has my file that I need, plus a thumbnail of it as well. So I can send those on to my teacher. So very cool process, very cool product. If you ever need to do a screencast for a teacher, that's a really nice way to do it. You don't have to have a special Chrome extension to do it. You just use the built-in Chromebook tool. As always, if you need anything, let me know, and have a great day.